Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. I want to dive into the 4-hour time frame at the moment because there's a back test going on the 4-hour time frame. So as I left you yesterday, we still are looking really bad for Dogecoin at the moment. So all I want to do is really zoom out of this thing, and I want to compare Dogecoin to Bitcoin. And there's two things to talk about. Number one is that you had this huge W pattern that you just broke out of. You came down for the retest later on, and when you came for the retest, it seems like you're failing the retest. So that's the first thing about it. The second thing is I want to match it with Bitcoin as well. If you look at Bitcoin, that was your support there, one support right here, one support there. You can watch the Bitcoin update in detail on the channel as well. And all you did is break down, and you're making a bearish retest to be rejected here and continue to 14,000. So this very same thing applies, that you did nothing more than coming up like this, going down, and this is also another bearish retest for the Dogecoin as well. So if it's not going to actually pop out of it and back close above, let's say I really need Dogecoin to close above 94, above this area, we need to closing above the area. So do something like this, go above like that, 0.10399, backtest this level, and that could actually be a very successful retest to the upside and not a bearish continuation to go lower. But at the moment you can see that this is not looking good. You're still below this yellow line at the moment. And if you look at the EMAs as well, the EMAs probably are restricting the prices. You can see that 20 EMA on the 4-hour time frame is really coming handy right over there. So that's pretty much it for this Dogecoin update. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.